What's this on my top? It says Gymstick, simply effective. And you may have seen this fiberglass tool with a couple of rubber bands over the internet. It became one of the hottest sellers during the pandemic because a lot of people were looking for something that was simple, easy to use, and be able to use inside their house. And it was really portable. There is Gymstick training. So if you're someone that's gone, do you know what, that's a really cool piece of equipment. I wouldn't mind using that with my clients, whether it be outdoors, in a park, or inside a gym, or perhaps one-on-one. You may be interested in getting the training. And this training, normally priced in US dollars, is going to be 50% off just for the month. It's an online training you can complete in your own time, and it is a really good quality training in that it's got lots of videos, lots of information that you can take away, and at the end you can get certified. So if you're interested in becoming a Gymstick trainer, a certified Gymstick trainer, check out the special that's going to be just for the month of June for 2021.